License to print cash money in broad daylight.
Just relax, and picture a homely scene of a retired upper-middle-class man, living in the tropics somewhere like Africa, and suddenly, gets a visit from a gorgeous and friendly neighbor.
I saw that your daughter is back from the US. How is she doing?
Great, thanks for asking. You better believe me, she used to sleep a lot when she got back, but I think she got her energy back, and now it is all about getting out of here at happy hour, and coming back home, crazy hours at dawn. You know young people and how they roll.
But anyway, when is she getting back to the US?
Will you believe me when I tell you, she is back for good?
What do you mean? What I am trying to imply is that I chose to live here in the tropics in order to kind of stretch my pension. You know how that goes, right?
I am very sure Grandpa got to her with his unusual experience of the world financial system. They are very close, but according to her she has been there for 5 years already, and she decided that is enough.
Did she get a better job here?
No. She claims she is financially independent.
I'm sorry, but that does not make any sense to me.
I was shocked when she said that to me, you know? Well, but after her explanation and seeing her finances, I think this is something good she did for herself in so many years.
Are you sure she is not doing something illegal?
No. The business she is doing requires a federally regulated license, with a lot of requirements like criminal background checks, driving records, and all that stuff. Grandpa really got me good on this one. Oh wow. Meaning you can't have a criminal record, not even a driving violation, to be a pinnacle licensed financial professional. And best of all, she did it part-time, whilst working and studying for the first 2 years, and went full-time from there as a full licensed agent.
So what happened to her degree?
Well, she also attained her degree and fully consolidated her student loan. Guess what? Out of the commissions she made with her agency by helping middle-class families. Unbelievable, yes, an unbelievable turn of life events, if you ask me today.
You seem to know a lot about these things your daughter is into.
Well, I should be, because her younger brother is planning to go over to the States to join her. So I had to be sure if he was going to be safe, considering the fact his sister is not following the plan protocol everybody else who leaves this village goes through.
Small girl like that born just yesterday needs a little careful monitoring from daddy.
Well, especially how I had to take loans and borrow money, here and there, approximately somewhere between $4,000 to $11,300. And worst of all, if you consider how others her age group from this same village have to stow away off as African migrants, crossing either the Sahara or several Latin American countries to reach the US or Europe, without any mercy from these so-called powerful and civilized countries. It is beyond me. My younger son joining her in the States became a concern for me, though, well, because she did not come home for 5 years. But the good news is that the big sister will transfer her business to him. Matter of fact, she could still function as a licensed agent from here if she wanted. I think that is a commendable business lifestyle. All that mattered was to have a US work permit/social card.
Wow, very interesting. You need to tell me more about that.
Sure, I will get her talk to you when she gets back.
That will be great, because my godson Echo has been there for over 15 years now, and every time I ask for some help he always reminds me he has not finished paying all his student debts. I don't even know what to believe these days anymore. Thanks a lot. Can I have more of that ginger concoction of yours?
No problemo.
Don't forget to make that call. Good news is, it's a free consultation with no strings attached whatsoever.